guys, it's V again, and Pam's behind the camera
Hey
today.
everybody!
And we're gonna do the part 2 of my masala that we did yesterday. So yesterday we made this masala, which was, you know, all the tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, and jalapeno. We boiled everything and then grind it up. Then we added spices to it. Now I told you guys I had a recipe for it, so I didn't add garam masala to it yesterday just yet. So I'm gonna do that today. So what I'm making with this today is tofu and peas. So I have about 1 block of tofu, firm, and it's chopped. It's chopped into, you know, I chopped it into small squares, but you can chop it however you want. And I have about 1 cup of peas here, and I have just a little bit more because in this specific dish, the peas are supposed to appear a lot more than the tofu. So I have some on side. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this tofu and I'm gonna put it in my, which I've been preheating this pan, and I'm just gonna let the tofu kind of, you know, swim around in there. Or toast around in there.
Swim around.
Yeah, not swim, toast around. I can't let it swim just yet. So I'm gonna move this around. Just, you know, I just want it to get a little bit of color on the bottom. All right, guys. So as you can see, they're slightly toasted on the bottom. And what I'm gonna do is, because I already added my spices and masalas to that, I'm just gonna add just a little bit salt and pepper on this. And guys, as you can see, everything is plant-based. I'm not using any oil in my recipes. So these are healthy recipes, and they're also good for you. And they taste good too. Well, healthy recipes are good for you, but this one tastes good too.
Of course. Your family wouldn't eat it if it didn't taste good.
So I'm gonna settle down. Can you hear it settling down?
Yep.
Okay.
It's getting there. Okay.
All right. So now I'm gonna add the rest of the, go ahead and add everything.
So when are you gonna add the masala, the garam masala you had?
In the end, when everything is cooked and ready, that's when I add it. So now you can see, now I'm gonna let the tofu cook in here for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my peas now so that they can melt.
You mean thaw?
Yeah, or cook. Melt, thaw, cook, whatever you want to call it. Pam. See, I feel like the peas are slightly, you know, I can see more tofu, so I'm going to go ahead and add those peas that I had.
And I think with the green peas, it makes the masala dish look
Pretty
brighter.
Yeah.
You know, it makes the orange look orangier or something. Yeah.
And I am going to add a little bit of water to this.
And why?
Because the masala, as it cooks, it's going to keep thickening up. So I need to give it a little bit of, you know, water so it can stay a little bit loose and cook everything up and bring all the flavors together. So I'm just going to add a little bit. I would say, I don't know how much I would say.
That's like a 1/4 cup. Maybe.
Yeah, so 1/4 cup going in. And that's it. And this is going to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. And then when I come back, I'll show you guys. What is that?
I don't know.
That came out of the pea bag.
I don't know. It's not a pea.
It's not a pea. All right, so I'm going to let this cook on sim, like a medium low. I'm going to let it cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then we'll come back. Alright. Hi guys, so this has been simmering away for a good 15 minutes. And as you can see, look at that. Like blobbering right in my face. You okay?
Yep.
Okay, so now you can see the peas have kind of cooked through. They look like they've
They plumped up.
Yep.
Yep.
And everything seems cooked. So now I'm gonna turn the heat off. I'm gonna finally add my garam masala. And I'm gonna toss everything. Now this you can serve with some naan. You can serve with some whole wheat tortillas. Any kind of tortillas that you like. And you can serve it with rice as well. So I did cook up some rice. And I'm gonna serve this with some rice. But like I said, you can warm up some naan. Serve it with some naan. It's really delicious with naan. My kids love it with naan. And I even make whole wheat tortillas for the kids. They love it with that too. So like I said, I have some rice cooked up here. And I'm just gonna serve it right beside. And guys, as you can see, since the masala was ready, 15 minutes and everything's ready. And let's taste test this. It's super hot. But
Super hot's right.
yeah, super hot. It is really hot. And the rice just got done too, so it's like hot on hot. It's perfect. So this recipe is a staple in my house. Check it out. Tell me how you like it. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell. Check us out on Insta, on Facebook. Join the conversation on Facebook. We do post a lot of articles. We have a conversation. We do our Friday check-ins there. On Instagram, we post what we eat every day. Almost every day, you know. Sometimes we completely forget about it.
Life happens.
Yeah. So on YouTube, we have all our videos. And this is something that my mom used to make for me. And I've veganized it for you guys. So it's something close to my heart. Try it out. Tell me how you like it. Try it different ways and tell me how you like it. And we'll see you guys tomorrow with another day of Christmas recipe. Till then, bye guys.
Bye.